Hello and welcome to this Mr. Memory video. Today we are going to show you how easy it is to install memory in Apple iMacs. This video covers most iMacs between early 2006 and late 2011, where the memory is located at the base of the machine. If you have a model from 2012 onwards, where the memory is located at the back of the iMac, please see our other video for installation help. If you are unsure which iMac you have, you can click on About this Mac for more information. This video uses a 2.7 GHz Core i5 2011 model as an example. We will also show you how to install the memory and then check to see that the iMac has recognised it. The procedure for each model is the same, but the memory size, speed and number of available slots may vary, so please visit mrmemory.co.uk for more information. Before you begin, make sure you have a clear workspace. You will also need a screwdriver and a clean towel or blanket. Make sure the iMac is completely shut down and disconnect any cables. To prevent potential damage to the memory from anti-static electricity, it is a good idea to discharge yourself first. This can be done by simply touching a grounded metal object, such as a radiator. Lay the clean towel or blanket on your workspace. Carefully lay the iMac down, holding the sides of the machine. The screen should be facing down. With this model, the memory is located at the base of the machine. The number of screws holding the cover in place may vary with each iMac. Loosen the screws. The cover should pop out with the screws still attached. Put this to one side. You should see the existing memory modules in their slots. Untuck the black tab and pull it towards you to release the memory. As you release it, remember the position of the notch, as the new memory needs to go in the same way. Repeat this for each module. Some older iMacs have plastic ejector clips that you will need to pull apart to release the memory. Insert your new memory into the empty slots. You will need to use firm and even pressure to do this. Do not worry which way up the stickers face, as this will be in different places on different modules. Tuck the tabs back over the memory modules and replace the memory cover. To check that your computer has recognised the new memory, start up your computer, click on the Apple symbol, then About this Mac. If your computer does not recognise the new memory, please visit our customer care and support section on our website for further assistance. Thank you for watching this Mr. Memory video.